Welcome back to another tutorial on the Corel Draw course for beginners. In this tutorial, we're going to look at other freehand tools that we have, and if you click and hold, we have the 2-point line and the Bezier tool. So let's select the 2-point line. So with the 2-point line, you can create a straight line. So you click, then you drag, and you've created a straight line. Again, with this selected, it has some properties at the top over here. So you can increase its weight. You can change its orientation. So if you want dotted line, dashed line, for now I'm going to go with solid line. You can add arrow points to its head and its tail, like so. So those are some of the options that you have working with it. Another thing that you can do with the 2-point line tool is that you can create a closed shape. So what you do is you click, drag, release, then at that point click again, drag, release, again click, release, click again, and then you come here. And as you can see, as we approach the node at the beginning here, is this little arrow that appears. Now that shows that if I release it, that shape will be closed. Let's try again. Let's form a triangle. So click, drag, click, and then drag again, and click and drag again. Now with this shape, you can see we still have the properties over here. So you can increase the weight, and you can change the color. Same to this one. So I'm just going to move this. So let's go to the next tool. We have the Bezier tool. Now the Bezier tool allows you to make adjustable curves. So I'll just going to click and then come over here, click again, and then drag. So you can create curves using the Bezier tool. Let's do that again, and you can continue creating more points, and you can also use it to create a closed shape. So if you want to create a curve, so let's first get rid of this. So we've created a closed shape. Let's select the Bezier tool again. So click, drag and hold, again drag and hold. So once you do that, this anchor point will appear, and this anchor point will help you adjust it. Then click, drag and hold, and you can add to this as you go and end up creating a closed shape. So these three tools that we've looked at, the freehand tool, the Bezier tool, and the 2-point line tool, are freehand tools that will allow you to do this, and they share the same properties. So with this selected, I can change its orientation, I can increase. You can see now it's ported, and then you can increase its weight, and you can also give it a color. So go ahead and practice with these 3 freehand tools over here: the freehand tool, the 2-point line, and the Bezier tool.